There are two type of virtualization. One is type 1 hypervisor, another is type 2 hypervisor. Type 1 hypervisor is a OS and type 2 hypervisor is a software. And using the software, this is the software. And using the software, we can create small virtual machine that is called guest OS. These are the guest OS. And we can install operating system according to our requirement. Okay. So this is the virtual setup. Today we are going to start. This is my laptop. And using this laptop, I will install a small software that is called VMware Player. And using the VMware Player, I will create a small virtual machine that is called guest OS. And on the top of the virtual machine, I will install RHEL 9.4 VMware Workstation 7 Player. And here these are the virtual machines, small virtual machine I have created for my groups. To create a virtual machine, what I have to do? We have to click here, create a new virtual machine. Once we click, this type of prompt will appear. Here I need to select I will install the operating system later. You can also choose this option, but I will go with this option. Click on next. You have to select Linux because we are going to create a Linux virtual machine. And here we have to select the operating system version that we are going to use. It's a RHL 9. So I will select the RHL 9 and 64-bit. Then click on next. Here we have to provide a name. This is the name of the virtual machine. Okay. Now what have to do? We have to provide the location where we want to store the virtual machine because this is my laptop and on the top of the laptop I am going to create a small virtual machine. That's why I have to provide the location where I will place the virtual machine. What I'll do? I will create a separate folder. This is the location I will copy. This is the path. Paste here. Okay. Now click on next. Here specify disk capacity. So this is the space I have to allocate for the hard disk. I will go with 20 GB. Then here store virtual disk as a single file. Split the virtual disk into multiple files. I will go with single file because I am creating a very small capacity hard disk that is 20 GB. If I'll split it, it will be create me problem because I have to uh, remember that these are the disk created. Okay, so I will go with a single disk, single file. Then click on next. Go to customize hardware. Once you click here, it will allow us to modify the resources of the server. So what are the resources? Resources mean memory, processor, and network, all these parts. So here I have already selected, it is already selected 2 GB memory, that is fine for me, and it is also selected 2 processor, that is also fine. Let me change it to 1 or 2. Okay. Now one more point here we need to remember that we have to attach the ISO image that we had downloaded previously. Here use the ISO image, click on browse. I will select the ISO image I have downloaded. This is the 9.4 ISO image, DVD ISO. Click on open. Here also we need to remember this option should be selected. Connect at power on. Okay. Now close. Then finish. Here you can notice my small virtual machine guest OS, not guest OS, virtual machine created.